Okay, let's play this one. Oh, all right, okay, fine. Too nice defense. Give a check first. Yeah, yeah. In the past, it used to be bishop. Used to be bishop e2, but bishop d3 because it supports the knight's retreat to e4. This is the reason why it's played. This is just all right. Simple as that. Knight retreats. Um. Okay, I think I'm gonna just go for the knight exchange in this situation. I think all these moves have been played before. It's just whether black wants to go for the main variation. I don't know why. Um, yeah, this first set. Okay, finally he moved. All right. I don't know why he wants to take back. Oh, but this is very passive, right? This is so passive. Extremely passive stuff. Right? Yeah, it's White who has all the attack. Yeah, all the attacking ideas. Um, okay, maybe this one. All right, just going for the mating one. I mean, understandably, of course, that's not going to happen, right? I mean, yeah. Okay, how about this? Yeah, that's a mate threat as well, right? Yeah. I mean, I can just take it straight away, right? Yeah. So let's see if we can take it here. Just a number of ways. Um, yeah, I believe this one's stronger. Yeah. Okay. All right. Very nice checkmate. Hope everybody enjoyed this.